theory definition, theory in a sentence, theory pronunciation, theory meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of theory. Theory. The-ry. Theory. Theory as a noun means a system of ideas or a set of principles. Common usages in academic writing: a scientific theory, a mathematical theory, the theory of evolution, the theory of relativity, quantum theory. Example sentence: theory, noun. Darwin's theory of evolution marked the start of a major scientific revolution. The common academic writing variations are theoretical, adjective. While the evidence has thus far been inconclusive, it still remains a theoretical possibility. And theoretically, adverb. It is theoretically feasible to send humans to Mars. We just don't have the ability to bring them back. Please write a sentence using theory in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of theory, the meaning of theory, and theory example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.